Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account details and launcher state so we avoid wasted steps. First, you log into your Microsoft or Mojang account on the website to ensure credentials work. If you hit an error, reset the password now. Once done, open the Minecraft launcher and check for updates. Install the latest build. Make sure you're using the correct account type, Microsoft versus Legacy Mojang, because the authentication flow differs and wrong choice blocks sign-in. Next, you tackle network and token issues that commonly block login. Start by testing a direct connection. Disable VPNs or proxies and restart the router. Then flush DNS on Windows with ipconfig/flushtons. If the launcher still fails, sign out fully and remove cached credentials, then sign back in to force token refresh. Also check that system time and time zone are accurate, because authentication servers reject mismatched timestamps. Correct them and retry signing in. Finally, you run advanced checks to finish the fix and prepare for troubleshooting. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall rules that might block the launcher or Java, then try signing in. If that works, create an allow rule. If not, back up your worlds, uninstall the launcher, remove leftover files, and reinstall the latest version. If login still fails, note the exact error message or code, and try the official support flow or community threads with that detail, so you can get a targeted resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.